Today it's about how to dance salsa with a partner. And the only thing you know is the salsa basic steps. That's what's about today. I have a microphone. Hi.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. We do not have time. All right. As we said in the first part, we are going in front with our left leg. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Make sure you have watched this video. Now we're gonna go into the partner work, as I said, and there is a little difference. If she would do her left leg in front, would mean, doesn't work, I think. So in order that it works, she needs to go back with the right. I go still forward with my left, and it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. But we need to go a step back. So there are many ways how to hold the partner. We have the open position. This is the open position, and we have the closed position. All right? Okay. It looks like this. You can lead her with one leg, with one hand, okay, even with the right hand, left hand, right hand. But make sure you don't do the T-Rex, which is, like this. So make sure her shoulders are like wide open, the chest is wide open, and you're leading like this, basically, okay? This looks beautiful, not like this, okay? So, all right, but we start now in a closed position. So this is my hand. She puts like this in the cup, pop, because this hand hold is really important because she can feel everything. As soon I pull her, she feels it. As soon I push her, she feels it here, hand palm. So here she feels everything. So I pull, I push. All right, here the same thing. Make sure that what I teach also in my online classes, there is not a gap in between. Okay, so make sure there is no gap. Ladies, make sure that you don't lead into it, okay? It should be like this. She can lead the hand like this, or also on the side, like this, for instance, or you can put it also on the shoulder. It depends on you. Important is that you don't put the weight on the arms of the guys, okay? All right. So from here, the impulse she gets is basically from this hand, but as you know, the one is going back, so I don't need to give her a strong impulse like this. 1, 2, 3. No, it happens natural. Since you both know we are dancing on one, I don't do anything in order to lead her. Also, she feels if I go forward because of this hand here. She knows, he's going forward, he's leaning forward. So every little impulse, and also think about ladies are more sensitive than the guys, so don't push her into her one, okay? 5, 6, 7, so you 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. You see this hand is quite quiet. So it doesn't move, because every move you want to do is an impulse. So don't give her any impulses, because I just want to do the basic step. All right, this next step we did in the video before was the side step. Here I have the option to lead her here with my palm, like here or here, to go to her right, okay? So really smooth, but she's gonna feel that, okay? So let's do a test. I do a basic first, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You see, just followed. But important is that you lead her into 8, like one beat before. Don't lead her into 1. So basically, what I did, I lead her like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. You saw? Like here was the connection, like really smooth, but still on 8 I was leaning more to the left, like your direction to the right. in order to read her like this, okay? I do the 1-8 completely, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, okay? See, if you got this, you can do the same thing also with an open. I don't used to dance like this because it doesn't look good. So I love to either have one hand, okay? But if you do not have any skills, so what we can do is like 1, 2, 3. See, I'm doing the basic on the spot, 1, 2, 3, and then I just rotate. This creates this thing, and then you look just like a pro already, you know. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm doing the side step. So let's say I want to go now into a basic normal open. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Let's do this with music, okay? Oh. So guys, I hope you like it, and I have another video for you which is coming up. This is the 5 basic salsa moves also for absolute beginners. If you have watched part 1 and part 2, and this is done part 3. Stay tuned. Bye bye.
Ja.
Dance a field.